What if I told you that people make $10,000 to $50,000 monthly on YouTube without showing their face, without recording their voice, and without editing a single video? Crazy, right? But it's happening. The channels like Infographic Show, Daily Dose of Internet, and Fail Army are doing this. And you can do it too using an AI tool. You can launch your own Faceless YouTube channel in less than 10 minutes. No filming, no editing, no guesswork. Hey, I'm Yogesh from Utilize Your Business. I help beginners like you start and grow online business using simple tools and automation. If you find this kind of content helpful, hit the like button so YouTube can show it to more people, and consider subscribing to the channel. Watch more tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. Now, the first step is choosing a niche. And trust me, this is super important. You want a niche that's already working, where people are searching for content every single day, and where advertisers are happy to spend money. Now, let's open Chat GPT. Give me 10 faceless YouTube channel ideas. And you can scroll down the list and you have top 10 niche that you can go on. So for this video, I'm going to choose the first one, motivational course and affirmation. And I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to give me a sub niche to that. 5 sub niches for this. So the first one is morning affirmation for entrepreneurs. This aligns with what I'm doing right now on online and with my niche. So this is good. Second one is for student and exam success, healing and self-love, nighttime affirmation, and law of attraction. So I'm just going to focus on the first one, morning affirmation for entrepreneurs. This is all focuses on confidence, abundance mindset, and goal setting. And once we have our niche for the Faceless channel, we ask again ChatGPT to give us some channel name. What I have is Rise and Grind Vibes, CEO Mindset Morning, Affirm Like a Box, Morning Fuel for Founders, Startup Socials. I like the first one, CEO Mindset Mornings, or the Rise and Grind Vibes. These are the two ones that I like it. Now that we have picked our niche and the channel name, it's time to find the video ideas that people are already watching and searching for. For that, we're going to use the AI tool called Syllabi.io. This is a tool that's going to help us to find the topics, video ideas, develop a script, edit, and upload to our YouTube channel. All that will be done through this software. The first thing you need is you need to set up an account in Syllabi. If you don't have an account, I'll put a link in the description. Click that link, my favorite link, and you will get to a Syllabi website. And from there, you just log in dashboard and you'll see something like this. First thing you need to do is go to Discover Ideas. That will help you to come up with ideas for your videos now that we already picked a niche. So first thing is motivational quotes for entrepreneurs, and platform we're going to choose YouTube. You can also choose TikTok and Instagram, but for this video we're going to do YouTube, and we're going to enter discover idea. It's going to cost you 15 credits. This is all depending on what plan you pick, but you still have the free trial, so don't worry about that. Within free trials you can create up to 3 videos. Let's click on discover ideas, and Syllabi is going to go and look for all the ideas. Right now it says no search sound. Okay, so these are the ideas that we come up with, and what we do is you look at it idea, the search volume, it's trending, and with the competition. Since the channel is beginner, the lower the competition, much better it is. Let's look for the ideas, and you can just pick one of them that you like, and you consider making a video for it. So for this, let's see. We'll get how to be entrepreneur successful. What makes an entrepreneur successful? I like this one. What makes an entrepreneur successful? The search volume is low, and the major one is this one. Who is an entrepreneur? Search volume is 590, trending is up, and the competition is low. Let's create a faceless video on this. Now in the faceless section, what we have to go through is all 5 of this, and we'll create our faceless video. The first one we do is we choose a style. You can choose an AI visual video vault. You have B-roll videos and URL to video. So we just look, let's go to AI visual, and you can see you can view all of it, and you have all of these. And what I like is you want to see which one is suited to your video that you picked. For our case, what we're going to do is I'm going to pick hyper realization, and then you can schedule or publish. We'll wait for that. We don't. And you can also auto generate AI description and tags, and we select this. Add a call to action for those ones who wanted to promote. You can promote any products or anything. The next one is the video options. This is for the how you want your whatever changes you do, you just see it here. So the audio language will be the English, subtitle style, and this is the voice. You can click on here and choose all the different voice you have it. So let's say this. It tells you a little bit about what the voice is all about. Write a less than 1 minute script on the topic, and it will cost you 1 credit to generate a script, and you hit generate. Now, after waiting about 15 to 20 seconds, it's going to give you a script. You can go through the script and make changes if you like. And there's another option, add a pause. So you can add pause for 1 second for the script. What I like is add a pause of 0.5 or 1 second, and it will be 48 seconds, wherever you want the pause to be. For this, I'm not going to do it, but that's advanced features that you want to do it. The next step after that is advanced options. Now this is where it comes in, where you want the subtitle position to be. What I like is just the middle is fine. Subtitle color, you can change to whichever color you think is good. Then we have the background music. Now for this, since this is documentary or something upbeat, we'll just look for something that is upbeat or cinematic, documentary and storytelling. This is pretty good. So this is a medium sound, and you can increase the volume or you can decrease the volume. This is good. Sound effects enable. How you want the image transactions, you want it right side, left side, watermark if you like it. If not, leave it as it is. Now we just go back to verify everything is good. As it's generating video, this is also going to help tell you what other topics you can start another video on. Who are the entrepreneurs changing the world? Secret behind entrepreneurial success revealed. These are pretty good topics, and you can pick one and get the other video going. But right now, let's go back to the main video and see how long it will take them. It's rendering right now. At the same time, while it's rendering, I'm going to show you an option where you can connect your YouTube channel. You can click on here. And right now I already have the YouTube channel and TikTok channel connected to my Faceless video. I'll put a link in there. You can also watch it and see how I'm progressing on that. I started making this about 3 months ago. What you're going to do is add account, and you can pick, these are all the social media forms that you can do: YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. You can just click on connect, and it will ask you to log into your account and authorize it to connect to, and it will cost you 3 credits per minute video, saving after changing. So just be careful about this, but you still have a chance to change some images or edit the script, subtitles, if they don't come out to what you're looking for. I'm just going to leave that. Usually the video is pretty good. Once you have the video rendered and updated, you want it to upload automatically to it, which I'm going to show you at the end of the video, how you can have the automated system for all of this. Now for here, what you do is we just click on publish, and then it will get the suggestion for description of the video, and then you customize. And I'm going to publish on my YouTube channel. So this is where the affiliate links that I have it will come in, and then you can just click on here and it gives you different titles for your video, and you can also click on this tags, and it will give you different tags, and then you can also add tags if you. Usually for the shorts, I usually leave it. The tags are pretty good. I usually do it 4 to 5. And then again for the, this is my TikTok channel. So, and then I just click on here, schedule to publish, and it'll be scheduled on my YouTube channel automatically. You don't have to edit anything. It's fully automatic from the idea that we created to the published video. The next thing you can do is you can automate this for the whole month. All you do is there is video, when you go to, let's go back to the Faceless video, and it has the right here schedule optional. So they have, what is there, bulk creation. So this one, you just click on this, and then it will just click duration, how many days. You can have this to, you wanted the start day, when you want to post, and how many posts you wanted, and the time. And once you have that, you can save it, and this way you'll have Faceless video customized for the next 7 days, 10 days, for the whole month, automatically done for you. All you have to do is just maybe 5-10 minutes at the start of the month, click it, and your video will be done for you with this description, the title, and the tags, all done for you. So if you ever felt overwhelmed by the idea of starting a video channel, or you told yourself that I'm not techy enough, I don't know where to start, this is a shortcut for you. Celebi does the heavy lifting, and your job becomes simple. You all have to do is first time just pick a news topic and publish. If this video helped, hit the like button, drop the comment below if you have any question, and I respond to everyone. If you want to try Celebi yourself, click the link in the description. It's free to test. And hey, in the next video, I'll show you how to scale your Faceless YouTube channel into a true passive income machine. Make sure you are subscribed with the bell on so you don't miss it. See you in the next video.